Remember when you started your business? Remember the excitement of creating something that would grow to be a success? But throughout time, problems, people, money, failures dimmed that feeling of being able to make it happen. The daily operations sucked you in. Your team asks for solutions for the smallest problems all the time. Your company can't live without you. Sales are not going as well as you wish, and money is a problem. If you don't organize your business, if you don't know how to delegate, or if you don't create firm policies and a very workable process for your company, that situation will continue to happen, and failing to really achieve those goals you had set for your future will be a faint idea of the past. So, remember why you started this business. Commit to making it happen. Align and engage your team to your vision. Organize your business. Develop processes that will be fulfilled. Delegate properly. Find the time to do what really matters for your business, for yourself, and the world. And let me help you with that.